Enjoy the drive.
AC is going to be on blast,
yeah, I was going to say, don't put the windows down quite yet.
Yeah. Not yet. The new AC, though, where they cranks in those cars.
Yeah.
That'd be great. Yeah, today was a day you probably got pretty good use out of it because it was toasty. 96 in Charlotte, 100 in Raleigh, but we're keeping an eye on a cold front. There it is. It's got some showers and storms with it, but it could be a little bit more active tomorrow. There is a low to medium risk for severe weather to the west, and I don't expect widespread strong storms tomorrow, but we are in the low risk area from the Storm Prediction Center. I think this is going to be like a 5% probability, and it would probably be downburst type winds, but it's really just a chance of rain with that front, which will be lingering over us the next couple of days. That front gets here and kind of stalls, so there is that risk for a pop-up shower storm, especially late tomorrow, right about this time. That's when we'll see those showers and storms around. When we look at our future cast, you start the day cloudy. That could keep temperatures down a bit, but right around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, there's those scattered storms moving through, some brief heavy rain, some cloud to ground lightning, and then we'll begin to dry out on Friday before the next wave of rain going into Saturday. It looks like the front will be more active on Saturday afternoon as well, so just plan ahead. We're going to see at least scattered storms for your weekend forecast Saturday and both Sunday, but no washout in the forecast. Now, in the tropics, a lot of buzz obviously with Hurricane Lee because of how strong it is going to be as it pushes to the north and west. It is still 1,100 miles east of the Leeward Islands, so it's got a long ways to go, and that might be the biggest lesson in this is we've got a long time to watch this. This is not going to be sneaking up on us. By Monday, next Monday, it'll be somewhere north of Puerto Rico. We have to keep an eye on it because remember, the center could be anywhere in the cone. It's not necessarily in the middle. This is where the center could be, and the storm itself will be much bigger than just the center of the storm. This is the concerning part about this storm. It's moving into a really favorable environment for rapid intensification. Winds could top 150 miles per hour, putting it in that borderline Category 5 strength. But where's it going to go after that? Obviously, everyone on the East Coast is saying, okay, where's it going to go, Brad? Well, here's some good news. Recurvature looks likely. Not great news for Bermuda. Also good news, the conditions here off the East Coast are not as favorable as they are to the south. So when it recurves, it will be weaker. Possibly still Category 2, 3 storm. Still too early to say, but it will likely be weaker. The steering currents, as we mentioned yesterday, are coming together pretty well right now, and this track looks to be the favored track. This weaker track looks less and less likely, but the one track we got to keep in the back of our mind, it's a low probability, but it's still there. This is why we're not clear from this storm just yet. If that ridge builds back to the west, we could see more of an impact here. So need to know with Lee, no threat to the Carolinas right now. It's still 5 days away from the Caribbean, so that's a long ways to go. Keep monitoring it into next week. We're not in the clear just yet, and be cautious, very cautious for misinformation. There is a lot of bogus information out there, including on TikTok. There was supposed to be a Category 6 storm hitting us, remember, this weekend, and we have not seen anything. Remember, there's no such thing as a Category 6 storm. Just goes to show you some of the stuff that is out here. Cooler temperatures, though, moving into the middle of the country and the East Coast. That cooler weather is the trough that hopefully will keep Lee off the East Coast, but we're likely going to see temperatures below our average, which next week is 83. That's what that map shows you, the chances of below average temperatures. So we'll start with the 7-day first. Guy Roofing 7-day forecast, hot, then warm, and then next week as we go 10 days into the future, upper 70s by the end of next week. So cooler air is on the horizon.
Got everybody's attention with that, Brad. Thank you. You'll never be surprised by the weather again. Just download the WCNC Charlotte mobile app. It has an hour-by-hour and 10-day forecast, so you always know what to expect before you even have to go outside. Get the app today. It's free, and it's a quick download on the App Store and on Google Play.